Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and locating Developer Options. This is where USB Debugging lives. First, confirm Developer Options is enabled. Tap build number 7 times if it isn't. Once done, return to System Developer Options so you're on the exact screen that controls debugging. Make sure your device is unlocked and screen on. This prevents accidental reprompts. You don't need a cable yet, just prepare the menu, so the next steps are immediate and accurate. You now disable USB debugging by scrolling to the USB debugging toggle in Developer Options and switching it off. When the confirmation dialog appears, read it and tap OK to confirm. This revokes ADB access immediately. After toggling off, optionally select Revoke USB Debugging Authorizations to remove trusted computer entries. This prevents prior PCs from reconnecting silently. Make sure the toggle stays off, and that any related options like OEM unlocking remain unchanged unless you intend to alter them. You finish by backing out of settings and optionally rebooting the phone to ensure changes persist. Once restarted, connect the Motorola to a PC. You should not see the ADB authorization prompt if USB debugging is truly disabled. If the toggle re-enables or the prompt appears, make sure no management app is toggling it. As a troubleshooting tip, go to Settings System Reset Options and choose Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile and Bluetooth, or Reset App Preferences to clear interfering settings. That usually resolves sticky toggles.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.